Forgotten username recovery failed on Jassby Fix. If your Jassby username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume Jassby still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Jassby now uses the parent or guardian's registered email as the main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Jassby app and enter the parent or guardian's registered email instead of a username. If you're unsure which email was used, check your inbox for past messages from Jassby, such as account notifications, alerts, or activity summaries. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to that email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, make sure to log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access the account, contact Jassby support. Provide your full name, the child's name, registered email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume the account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Jassby removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and your child's funds are safe. Use the registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing the Jassby account in minutes.